Hello, electronic engineers. What I bring to you this time is the application of a WINSOK MOSFET in 75-volt handheld electric solar brushless motor. The model number is WSD75100DN56. It is M-channel DFN5 multiply 6 score to 8 package. Its VDS is 75 volt, ID is 100 ampere, and RDS is 5.3 million. It corresponds to AON 6276, AON 6278, AON 6280, AON 6282, and AON 6448 to NVMF S6H824N of ON Semiconductor, to BSC042NE7NS3G, BSC036NE7NS3G of Infineon. This MOSFET can also be used in electronic cigarettes, wireless chargers, drones, medical care, car chargers, controllers, digital products, small household appliances, consumer products, trimmers, electric scissors, and so on. It is mainly used to control the speed and the direction of the motor. It offers superior performance features such as fast switching speeds, no power consumption, and high voltage handling capabilities.